Hey, welcome to the shop. I'm Cameron, and today on Plan Build Use, a shelf builds itself. So I'm thinking about building a shelf right here, but that's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. So that's it for today. Thanks for stopping in. I'll see you on the next video. Alright, I admit the shelf is not the most epic project that I've done so far, but you gotta admit, the stop motion was pretty cool, right? I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to those of you who have subscribed to my channel so far. Thank you so much. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Cameron. I do weekly DIY videos. If you're interested in that kind of thing, please consider subscribing down below. It really helps the channel and it helps me make more of these videos. So that's the end of today. Thanks for stopping in. I'll see you on the next video.